Kia released the first official images of the brand's highly anticipated new Tasman pickup truck. We can see the boxy shape of the mid-size truck, thick all-terrain tires, and Telluride-style headlights. Then what about the interior of the new Kia Tasman? We have seen photos of the interior of the new Kia Tasman from the video post, which gives an idea of what's inside the 2025 Kia Tasman. Please see our rendering while waiting for the official unveiling to be introduced globally in 2024 as the 2025 model. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and see you in the next video.